If you want to insert SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we need to use the pin, the SIM eject tool, that you can find inside the box of the phone. Next, over here at the bottom of the phone we have our SIM tray. It is located over here. We have this little hole on the left side, and we need to insert the pin into this hole, and then just push it in with your finger with just a little bit of force. You don't have to use too much, and you need to use it until the SIM tray pops out slightly, and then use your fingers or fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Once you remove it, you should be able to find this image, this slot of the SIM tray. You can see the shape of the SIM card, so this is a tooltip how to properly insert the SIM card, so you need to simply match it, as you can see. So just put it in. Be careful because usually these SIM trays are really loose, so you might lose your card. And then at the back you might have additional SIM slots. So in my case I have 2 SIMs, although I'm not sure if every version has dual SIM. However, if you insert both SIMs into the SIM tray, then we can of course hide the SIM tray, put it back into the place. So let's put it back in, use your fingers and push it all the way in. Make sure that it doesn't stick out even a little bit. It should be fully in. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.